Every gardener dreams of a thriving, vibrant garden where plants grow with unstoppable energy, leaves glow with health, and fruits or flowers burst with abundance. Yet the secret to achieving this kind of growth isn't locked inside an expensive bag of store-bought fertilizer. The real magic lies in your own hands with Jaydam liquid fertilizer recipes. Simple, natural, and powerful brews that can turn any ordinary garden into a fast-growing paradise. These recipes are not just about feeding your plants, they awaken the soil, spark microbial life, and deliver nutrients in a form plants can immediately use. And the best part, you can make them yourself with everyday ingredients. Jaydam fertilizers are rooted in the principles of organic farming, focusing on natural fermentation to unlock nutrients. The fermentation process breaks down organic matter into simple, bioavailable forms that plants can absorb instantly. Unlike synthetic fertilizers that can burn roots or disrupt soil health, Jaydam brews are alive with beneficial microbes, ensuring both soil and plants thrive. They are also fast-acting, meaning you'll see noticeable changes in plant vigor within days. One of the simplest, yet highly effective recipes is made with brown rice water. Start by washing 1 cup of brown rice in 2 cups of clean water. Strain and keep the liquid, the milky rice wash. Pour this into a clean jar, cover it loosely with a paper towel or cloth, and let it sit at room temperature for 2 to 3 days until a mild sour smell develops. This liquid is packed with natural lactic acid bacteria, which help stimulate root growth and strengthen plants against diseases. To use, dilute 1 part of the fermented rice water with 20 parts of clean water. For example, mix 1 cup of rice water with 20 cups of water and apply directly to the soil around your plants once every 2 weeks. If you want explosive growth and deep green leaves, fish amino acid is unmatched. To make it, take 1 kilogram of fish scraps, heads, bones and guts, and mix it with 1 kilogram of unrefined sugar. Place the mixture in a wide-mouthed container, press it down, and cover with a breathable cloth. Let it ferment for 3 to 4 weeks until it becomes a dark, liquid concentrate with a sweet, slightly fishy smell. Once ready, strain the liquid and store it in bottles. To apply, dilute 1 tablespoon of fish amino acid in 1 liter of water. Use as a foliar spray or soil drench every 2 weeks. This provides a rich supply of nitrogen, amino acids, and trace minerals that rapidly fuel plant growth. When plants need a quick pick-me-up, fermented plant juice works like a natural energy drink. Harvest about 1 kilogram of fast-growing green plants such as spinach, lettuce, or even young grass clippings. Chop them finely and mix with 1 kilogram of raw sugar in a container. Press down gently, cover with a breathable cloth, and let it ferment for 5 to 7 days. The liquid that collects is the concentrate. Strain it and store in a bottle. For use, dilute 1 tablespoon of fermented plant juice in 1 liter of water and spray directly on leaves in the early morning or late afternoon. The sugars and growth hormones inside this solution give plants an immediate boost, helping them recover from stress, transplant shock, or pest damage. To build plant resistance against diseases and strengthen their natural defense systems, Oriental herbal nutrient is a must. Gather 100 grams each of ginger, garlic, green onion, cinnamon, and licorice root. Chop them into small pieces and soak in 1 liter of rice wine or strong alcohol. Seal the container and let it extract for 7 days. Strain the liquid and store in a dark bottle. To apply, dilute 1 tablespoon of this extract in 1 liter of water and spray on plants once every 2 weeks. This herbal blend works as a natural pesticide and immune booster, protecting plants from fungal infections and insect attacks. Calcium is often overlooked, yet it is vital for strong cell walls and preventing blossom end rot in tomatoes and peppers. To make a calcium-rich solution, wash and dry 10 eggshells, then crush them into small pieces. Roast gently until they turn slightly brown. Place the roasted shells into a jar and cover with 500 milliliters of vinegar. The mixture will bubble as the acid reacts with the shells. Leave it for 1 week until the bubbling stops. Strain the liquid and store it in a bottle. To use, Dilute 1 tablespoon of this calcium extract in 1 liter of water and spray on leaves or pour around the base of plants once every 2 weeks. You know, the beauty of Jaydam recipes is really how they complement each other. For strong leafy growth, it's a good idea to combine fermented plant juice with fish amino acid on alternating weeks. And for flowering and fruiting plants, you can pair calcium extract with brown rice water fermentation to support both structural strength and nutrient absorption. Always remember to dilute properly since concentrated solutions may overwhelm young plants. A simple schedule could be feeding once a week with a different solution each time, making sure your plants get a balanced supply of nutrients throughout their growth stages. Synthetic fertilizers might give you a quick nitrogen push, but honestly, they do little to improve long-term soil health. Jaydam fertilizers, on the other hand, deliver nutrients in a natural, microbial-rich form that plants absorb immediately, while also enriching the soil. Beneficial bacteria and enzymes speed up nutrient cycling, creating a living ecosystem in the soil that keeps feeding your plants long after application. That's why gardeners who switch to Jaydam often see not just faster growth but also healthier, more resilient plants season after season. Jaydam liquid fertilizers are more than just homemade brews. They're a gardening revolution. With nothing more than fish scraps, rice water, eggshells, herbs, or leafy greens, you can craft powerful solutions that honestly rival any store-bought fertilizer. They save money, reduce waste, and bring your garden to life with natural vitality. If you're serious about transforming your garden fast, start with these recipes today and watch the difference unfold before your eyes. For more powerful gardening tips, in-depth guides, and tested recipes that truly work, make sure to subscribe to the Master Gardener channel and share this video with fellow gardeners. Together we can grow stronger, healthier, and more sustainable gardens.